skill today, and they'll build a better future tomorrow. A very charming morning to one and all present here, respected judges, honorable chairman sir, and my dear friends. Today, I'm standing here to discuss on the most important topic, the necessity of skill development among India's youth. As we step into the future, the need for skill development is not just an option, but an imperative for the progress and prosperity of our nation. In today's interconnected world, global competitiveness is paramount. Countries with skilled workforce have a competitive edge in the global markets. By equipping our youth with relevant skills, we enhance India's position in the economy and attract investments and opportunities. Skill development opens a door for a large number of job opportunities. As industries evolve, technology advances. Therefore, the need for skill development continue to rise. Suppose, if you have an apple and I have an apple, and we exchange these apples, then each of us will still have an apple. But if you have a skill and I have a skill, and we exchange these skills, then each of us will have two skills. India's youth possesses immense potential to drive progress in a way that were once thought impossible. Empowering the youth with relevant skills helps us to reduce unemployment rates. Considering the great leaders of history such as Mahatma Gandhi and Nelson Mandela, they did not lead with brutal force or military minds. Instead, they led with the skill of leadership. These skills sparked a movement that brought about significant changes in their respective country and world at large. Despite a large youth population, India still faces skill gap due to inadequate training and educational system. By providing skill-based education system, we ensure to bridge this gap and ensures that our youth are equipped with relevant skills. Industry-relevant training programs also ensures that the youth are equipped with the development of our nations according to the requirements of the industries. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also taken the initiative to promote development of skills in the youth overall the country. Collaboration between educational institutes and industries is essential to ensure to bridge all the gaps between the skill development and a youth and give them a better and successful life. Skill development also promotes inclusive growth by providing opportunities to marginalized communities and providing skill-based education systems. It also brings an individual and also supports an individual from all backgrounds to participate in the development of our nation. As we all know, that skill development is not just a development goal, but an imperative for the nation's progress and betterment for our nations. In the conclusion, I want to say that skill development is not just a need for a development goal, but an imperative for the nation's development. Empowering the youth with unemployable skills helps us to reduce unemployment rates and foster economic growth. It's not just that being with a skill is always to be with everything. Every skill you